Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 22. The perimeter of the rhombus is 46 centimeter. If the height of the rhombus is 8 centimeter, find its area. Now, suppose this is a rhombus. All the sides of the rhombus are same. Height means the distance between the two opposite sides. That is the height, right? That is the height. So this is the height and this is the side of the rhombus. This side can also be called as base of the rhombus. Now we know area of a rhombus in terms of height and base will be equal to base into height. Why so? Because rhombus is a parallelogram and parallelogram ka area is base into height, which we can apply here. So first we need to find the base, that is the side. We need to find the side. Perimeter is 4 into side because all the sides are same in the rhombus. So perimeter divided by 4 will give me the side of the rhombus. What is the perimeter? 46 given in the question divided by 4 is side. So 46 divided by 4, this will become 23 to 11.5 centimeter is the side of this rhombus. This side is also called the base and the distance between the two sides is called the height, which is 8 centimeter, right? So base is 11.5 and the height is the distance between the two sides, or the height is given directly. The height is the distance between the two sides and height is 8 centimeter. So what will the area be? Area will be base into height, that is 11.5 into 8. Fine. That will become 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 carry, 9, 20, 1 place decimal. So the decimal comes here. So it becomes 92 centimeter square because it is the area and the unit of area is centimeter square. So we will apply the formula base into height, which is the parallelogram area, and rhombus is a parallelogram where the base is the side and height is the distance between the two sides, which is given in the sum, that is 8 centimeter.